Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your device so quiet. And firstly I recommended to clean the grill. Remove your ear tips from your earbuds and clean the grill on the left and on the right earbud. This channel we have video how to clean these earbuds. So if you don't know how, you can check that video. Also, what we can do, if you have a problem with only one earbud, we can change sound balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on iOS device, and then we will move to Android device. But some Android devices have system what visually similar to iOS, so maybe you need to also check this part, and without it you cannot find the good path. Now on your iPhone open settings and then you need to go to accessibility. It's located under the general settings. You tap at the accessibility and you need to scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. Tap at this line and right here you need to tap also scroll down just a bit. And if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot or the slider, if you have iOS 26, to the right. And now we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if I use 100% on the right earbud, I will totally mute sound on the left earbud. And it's the same for if you have this problem with the left one, you just move this dot or the slider to the left. And now we increase it for the left earbud, but lower the volume on the right earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, go to the settings. Then you need to scroll down and find accessibility. I have stock Android here and it's located at the bottom. Tap at this line and then we need to scroll down again and click at the audio adjustment. And right here we have audio balance. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. And now we increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if I use 100% for the left earbud, I will totally mute sound on the right earbud. And if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right, and we just increase it for the right, but lower it for the left earbud. That's it. Also, maybe you need to contact customer service if these methods didn't help you. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!